Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add another user on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11. And of course, if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings to upgrade into Windows 11 for free. And you can even run the installation into the background of your PC, so you can use your PC. Of course, in the meanwhile, it could be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big deal. Of course, once the download or the installation is done, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And once you do that, you will find your Windows 11 ready to use, and you will be able to start using it. And of course, you will have even a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. But I bet it will stay on Windows 11 because it will be good as Windows 10 or even much better. So as you said, we would like to add another user on the Windows 11. So how can we do that? The first thing that we would like to do is just go into your settings. Of course, you can do that by many ways. Do whatever suits you. For me, I'm just going to click at the Windows I on my keyboard. That will quickly open my settings. Of course, some of you will like type it. Some of you, everyone has its own way to open settings. So just go and open your settings, and now you would like to go into this account section. Once you do that, you will need to scroll down a bit. So let's just close this until you find this other users. So just go and click on it, and as you can see here, you'll be able, or you will have the option to add other users. So simply you would like to click at add account. Of course, you can actually add a Microsoft account, or if you don't want to add like the Microsoft account, you would like just to add a user without the Microsoft account, you can just go here and click I don't have this person's sign in informations, and you'll need to wait a bit. Then click at add a user without a Microsoft account. Then of course you can just make your username here, the username of the user. And of course, if you want to add a password, just add it. So here, let's use an example. This is going to be test. Click at next, and as you can see, here is your user. You can enter it whenever you want. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.